I've got him, Benny. Okay, so do a burp.
Make a fart.
No, do a burp, and I'll make a fart. Make it really loud so they hear it. Make it really loud. Come on, really loud. You got this. Can you do it?
Can you hear us?
Okay, can you do it louder?
Yeah.
Come on, this is like first time in a while, right? How about you stand up? Okay, can you stand up? Because I think you get more in when you're standing up. Okay, Betty, let's just go like stand over there. Alright. Come on. Go. Do it.
I can't do it anymore.
Do it now.
That's kind of good.
Do it again.
What are we doing?
Do it.
What are you doing?
Do it. It's gonna feel good. They're up to something. Do it. Okay, you just ate some food, so.
Felt kind of good.
Yeah.
Again.
Okay, see if you can do it again. Keep that way.
Okay, now let's move on. Yeah.
Let's do it over there. I know, that was funny. Here, babe. Let's go do it, way over there. Come on. Do one right now. Ah ha ha. Do one when we get over there. Over there on the far part. Come on, go. Right, Benny. Let's just do it right here.
Can you get on that hip?
Okay, can you do it right now?
Were you at the skate jam?
Do it right now.
The
Benny,
skate jam
do
that
it.
was like a couple months ago? Yeah. You see that guy?
Do it really loud. Stand up and do it. Because that's how you do it. Benny, do
Dude,
it.
I'll do it fast.
Do it now. Stand up. Alright, that's part 1.